my channel. Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. I'm getting so excited only when I say this loud. I can't believe we are actually doing this. Today is Monday. It's Monday morning. It's still very early in the morning and it's raining so bad outside. The plan is to spend a beautiful day inside, make it as cozy as possible, bring all the Christmassy vibes around myself. As you already saw, I made my coffee in the morning. I already lightened up some candles as well. I just want to put myself in such a better mood. This time of the year, more than ever, I just want to enjoy all the most beautiful vibes, Christmas vibes and vibes in general, to be surrounded by the most beautiful people and just, you know, have fun and enjoy life. Now the next thing I want to do is to jump in the shower because I applied some self-tan last night. Then I want to do my skincare and get ready for the day because I need to film some reels later on. At the same time, I have some beautiful deliveries. Almost all of them are for my Christmas table decor and I can't wait to show you the inspo. I also ordered some bits from H&M Home. Hopefully they will be delivered by the end of the day and hopefully I'll be able to show you everything I've ordered in this vlog. If not, that's gonna happen in the next one for sure. I also need to prepare dinner today for both of us and I think there was something else, but I can't remember exactly right now. Anyway, it's gonna be a super busy day. Who knows what else it's gonna show up in the meantime. But guys, we are spending the day together, so let's kick off the day. Not sure if you guys can hear the rain outside. Honestly, it feels so nice after having a shower to do like a proper skincare routine before I start the day. It took me ages to realize that actually skincare is much more important than makeup itself. This eye cream, by the way, is so good. I'm gonna use a face mist now. This one is from Elemis. I'm a huge fan of Elemis products. I'm using them for so many years, especially their cleanser balm, which I'm pretty sure everyone at least heard about it. I have such a difficult skin. Sometimes it feels dry, sometimes it feels very oily. It's like a combination to oily skin type. But during winter time, it's so much love, more than ever. Because it gets super dehydrated. I have combination to oily skin type. Imagine those people who have dry skin. I think it's such a struggle to make sure your skin is super well hydrated, because we all know if you don't hydrate your skin, if you don't take care of your skin properly, then no makeup in the world, no matter how good it would be, is not gonna look nice if your skin doesn't look good. So make sure, guys, you don't skip the skincare routine. Nice, I feel much better now. I forgot to apply the hyaluronic acid. This is a new brand to me. It's called the Inky List. I always struggle to pronounce the name of the brands, so please bear with me. I heard so many amazing things about it. And I've used it a couple of times, but with skincare, I usually love to give it like enough time. So far, my skin, it's actually quite good. Anyway, I need to apply some makeup now. I'm gonna use one of these hair bands because I don't want any foundation, primer to go into the hair. Actually, I should have done that before I did my skincare as well. Hey, it's still morning and we are waking up here. Guys, I almost forgot to apply the SPF. I'm gonna go with this one from Givenchy. I'm not sure. Yeah, I still have a tiny bit left. If you guys didn't watch my TikTok vlogs, when I traveled to Romania, I did my skincare on the plane. And when I applied the SPF, I managed somehow to apply the SPF all over my clothes and on the seats as well. So yeah, it was not the happiest day of my life because I really love this SPF. Sometimes, you guys, it's such a struggle to find a good SPF that works nice, that doesn't look crazy underneath the makeup, that has a beautiful texture. And this one is one of the best options, one of the best SPFs I've tried so far, and it smells so beautiful as well. It puts me in a better mood, I would say. Yes, this is all the light that we get today. So I think I'm gonna have to turn on the lights here, otherwise you won't see the makeup that I'm gonna be doing, which is gonna be short and sweet, by the way. Yes, I think it's much better like this, right? Nice. Okay, let's go with the primer. First of all, I'm gonna use this one from YSL. And I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit, just like so. This one smells incredible. I love it. I think I'm gonna have to go to Sephora very soon because I need one of their foundations as well. I used to love so much the YSL Touche Eclat. This one, sadly, there is not much left. So this means that we are gonna go to Sephora. We're gonna try some new launches from the brand as well, including foundation, because they have amazing products. Now I'm trying to decide which foundation should I use. You know what, I think I'm gonna use the either Lancome, either Givenchy, because both of them have like a beautiful natural finish. And I think from Givenchy I'm gonna use the Skin Caring Matte because it's winter time and because I want to have a nice coverage, but at the same time I want my foundation to look very luminous. We need a flawless finish, but I don't want it to look like it's way too heavy, you know. Nice, I already love it so much. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. The coverage is insane, and the glow, even though it's a matte version, it's so beautiful. I love the glowy version as well, but sometimes I just feel like it's not for me, you know. I have some skin texture, and sometimes when I get any blemishes, you know, that time of the month, I feel like it's emphasizing them even worse. But other than that, it's such a good one as well. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. You guys, I'm sleeping very well these days, but I feel like my dark circles are visible more than ever. I already know this concealer is gonna do such a great job with covering any dark circles, but at the same time the finish is gonna be super natural, very beautiful, which is definitely something that I want to get today. I did my eyebrows behind the camera because it takes me ages to film this, and now I'm gonna go with a tiny bit of highlighter. I've used this highlighter a few days ago and oh my god, it's so beautiful. I usually stay away of highlighters, but this one, hopefully you can see it on the camera, has like a beautiful luminous finish, and I always make sure that I apply it on the highest points, and somehow I try to avoid those places on the face where actually I have any skin texture. Okay, I'm gonna go with the powder to set the products or the creamy products, and I think I'm gonna keep it very natural for the eye makeup because, as I told you previously in the morning, I want to film some reels, and one of the reels is actually a makeup tutorial. It's not a tutorial, it's more like swatching a product, and the product is this lipstick from YSL, which by the way I didn't apply it yet. It looks so beautiful. There is something I love so much about new products that haven't been touched. So when I do any swatches, when I show any products, especially if those products are new to me, I don't use them in advance. I just do like the first shot with opening the product, and only after that I'm gonna swatch it and I'm gonna try it on as well. So that video is gonna be linked in the description below. A little bit of powder on my forehead as well. The powder I'm using is Givenchy Prisma Libre, by the way. I literally use the tiniest amount. I apply it first on my palm, and then I'm just gonna take little by little and set the creamy products rather than going with all the product all over the face. Nice. I love how it looks. I think I'm gonna have to change the battery camera again, guys. Again, I'm filming so much these days, so I have to constantly change the batteries. Look at this finish, look at this coverage, and look how luminous the skin looks. Beautiful, so beautiful. I had to turn off the camera and stop filming because outside there are workers and it was so noisy. You guys couldn't hear a thing. You know what? I just realized that I should have done like a time lapse. I'm gonna definitely do that next time because I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen again. We live in a new development area and there are still a few houses to be built. So yeah, there are constantly workers. It's so noisy, and as much as I appreciate these people working so much, especially on rainy days and so on, it's so hard for me to do my work at the same time with them. Anyway, this is almost the final look. Let me show you very quickly what I've used. For the eye makeup, I've used the Dior Backstage, let's see, 003 Amber Neutrals. It's such a beautiful palette. I feel so sorry I still didn't have the chance to try the foundation, which everyone is talking about it for so many years, for so much time. The Backstage collection from Dior, it's absolutely amazing. I've used this palette to do the contour. I didn't apply any blush yet. This is such an old palette. It might be in limited collection. I'm not sure if you guys can still find it on the website or not. I've also used these two products. I'm gonna link them both below in the description. And now I have to do my hair and finish the makeup, but I'm gonna do this behind the camera because, as I told you, I want to apply the red lipstick. So I'm coming back after I finish filming the reels and show you how the lipstick looks like on. I'm getting so excited. And we are back. This is the lipstick. It's such a deep, beautiful shade of red. The shade is called Rouge Muse. I'm gonna link it in the description below. It's the Rouge Pure Couture lipstick from YSL. It feels so hydrating on the lips, guys, by the way. I don't know about you, but I love it. In general, I love a beautiful shade of red lipstick. I think I feel powerful each time I'm wearing red. And sometimes I wear red during the day. Yeah, that's me. Okay guys, now I have to edit the video that I just filmed with the YSL lipstick and share it on my Instagram. And then I'm gonna have to film 2 more videos, or actually 3 more videos, I'm not quite sure. Because I ordered some festive outfits. And by the way, guys, I can also show you the dresses, because this should be some beautiful dresses, beautiful options, like festive outfits if you guys are going to any Christmas party, maybe work Christmas party. So I'm gonna show you first those dresses, and then I'm gonna film something with them. Me again. I'm just gonna sit here because the light is much better than in the rest of the house. So quick update, later update, as I love to say it lately. Change of plans, because things don't go as we always plan them, right? So I changed it to something more comfortable because I want to make dinner. Mari should be able to join me in, I would say, around half hour, hopefully, because once he gets into a meeting, he knows when he joins, but he doesn't know when the meeting is gonna end. Anyway, if he's not gonna join me, it's totally fine. I'm gonna make spaghetti bolognese for bolognese, how do we pronounce this? We both love pasta so much, so it should be quick and easy to prepare it. I have my own recipe, by the way, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. I also managed to open the packages and film a video for my Instagram. This means that I'm not gonna try on the dresses with you, but still I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna show you everything I bought. I have one favorite. Don't get me wrong, all of them are super gorgeous, but one of them is my top favorite. So let's make dinner right now because I'm so hungry, I'm starving. Right, let's see how it goes, because I have a new setup for filming. One thing you should know about me when I'm cooking pasta is that I don't use minced meat, and I'm actually using chicken breast. What I'm gonna do is to chop the chicken breast. I know it sounds weird, and I know so many of you won't agree with me on this, but it's so delicious, guys. And it's actually a healthier version, I would say. If I look down way too often, it's because I'm trying to figure out if I'm focused or not when I'm filming this. As I said, I have a new setup, and hopefully the quality is gonna be much better, and hopefully you guys will see much better what I'm doing here. I'm gonna wash my hands very quickly, and afterwards I'm gonna chop the chicken. And I also just realized that I need to go outside to bring some veggies, especially onion, from the garage. And it's so cold, and I think it's still raining. But yeah, secretly I'm just hoping that Marius is gonna show up anytime soon, and he will go outside to bring the onion, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that no, 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 yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no, 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, all my posts and also do a couple of admin. But now I'm ready because I want to show you the dresses that I was talking about. I have my phone with me here just because I want to have a look on the website and give you all the details. I am a little bit tired as well, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna miss some of the important details, but if you guys need any other information, just let me know in the comments below. I'm also gonna link in the description all of these dresses. And once again, guys, if you need any other information about anything I'm talking about or I'm showing you in these videos and I'm not linking them, just, you know, make me aware of that. Ask me in the comments, and I'm happy to share everything with you. Now, the first dress that I have is the Lipsy Bardot Split Maxi dress. This dress is absolutely gorgeous. It is available in 2 more colors, on silver and on gold as well. I'm wearing size 8, it's very comfortable. The only thing I don't really enjoy about it is the way it fits around my breast. I don't know why, but somehow I feel that it doesn't look very flattering. It might be because of my shape body as well, but other than that, it's a beautiful dress. So this is the maxi dress, and they also have the mini version of the same dress, which is actually available in only 2 colors. One of the colors, I have it right here. This is a beautiful dark green. I'm not sure how well you can see it actually on the camera. It feels like it's the same color, but it's not the same color. This is the black one and this is the green one. It's basically the same shape, the same Bardot. This one fits much better than the maxi dress, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it just because it feels like it's a little bit too short for me. I would love to have like very thin legs, which is not the case, so I don't think that this type of dresses, this length, is actually looking very flattering on me. Now, the third and the last dress, which is actually the dress I am absolutely adoring. I love it so much. It's super comfortable, it's very flattering. If you have a little bit of belly, this one, it's gonna fit so nicely because it has like a small detail around the waist, which is kind of covering everything. The length is beautiful as well. This shade of red is absolutely gorgeous. I am a little bit obsessed with red in general. I truly believe that this shade of red looks very flattering on me. And as you can see, it's a 1-shoulder dress. I went for the size 6. Now I'm just looking at my order and I noticed that the black dress is in size 10, so maybe that's why it doesn't look very flattering on me. These are all the dresses, guys. They will be linked in the description below. I hope so much that you love at least one of them. They're really beautiful and such an amazing quality as well. I think I'm gonna keep the red one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to wear it at this Christmas party, but still, it's such a beautiful dress, and I think there will be plenty of other events where I will be able to wear it. I know that I also promised you guys that I'm gonna show you all the other bits that I've ordered from Amazon, but right now I am so tired. The only thing I want to do is to remove my makeup and go to bed. So I promise I'm gonna show you everything in the next vlog. At the same time, some of the other bits will be delivered by then. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe it's better like this because I can show you everything in one place and you guys will have like a better idea of how I'm planning to decorate the Christmas table. Once again, thank you so much for watching by the end, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!